Let's go for next problem, which states that again there is two conclusions from a statement. Two conclusions from a statement are followed by four alternatives. So we have to select the best one. Select the best one. Remember the word actually best one, because there are possibility that one or two options may be very close and you have to select the best one. But under this situation, the answer will be very clear. But there are situations where the answers will be very close. So let's read this. Statement says, no country is absolutely self-dependent these days. Correct? No country is absolutely self-dependent these days. What does the meaning is? There is, we all like human beings, we are social beings, we all need support of each other. The same way, each and every country needs support of each other. So none of the countries are absolutely self-dependent. So let's see the conclusion. It is impossible to grow and produce all that a country needs. Yes, correct. That is why we are, see, again we read this. It is impossible to grow and produce all that a country needs. Yes, we agree to this because we are not self-dependent. We are not self-dependent. It is not possible for any country to be self-dependent. That is why we all depend on each other, on other countries. So it is impossible to grow. That is correct. Let's see through the next conclusion. Countrymen in general have become lazy. Oh no. There may be some, but not all. So countrymen in general have become lazy is absolutely wrong, because the reason here is you guys sitting here working very hard to enter your defense force itself is a proof that our countrymen and our country ladies are all very strong enough and working hard towards protecting the country. So what is the answer? Let's come back to the point. It is impossible to grow and produce all that a country needs. So only one we can see is correct. So that is the option is only one. Okay. All right.